How to fix VirtualBox VM failed VT-x not available. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn the steps to fix VirtualBox failed to open session for the virtual machine problem. First of all, you need to enable and disable some features on Windows. So first, click on the Windows icon and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Next, disable or uncheck the Hyper-V option and Sandbox option. Next, enable or check the Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform and press OK. After you're done with this, let's go to the next step. Now on the next step, we need to disable the Hypervisor launch type. So first, click on Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now, type this command and press Enter key. You can also check the status of the hypervisor launch type. And now, finally restart your PC to see the changes. This is how you can fix the VirtualBox VM failed VT-x not available on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials. See you on the next video.